कुछ चांदनी सी बातें हूँ, जमीन पे चांद कहाँ रोज रोज आता है।
पहली बात है कि मेरी बीवी की उर्दू मेरी से अच्छी है। बच्चे की तरह बोलता हूँ। So I will speak a little bit in English.
Okay, no.
A little bit in English. When an author writes a story, he often writes from his own experience, his own life. But he gives us a window, and through that window we can see our own life. When we read about Rani and her struggles, when we read about Anas trying to get to the city, trying to fight corruption, trying to find success, we actually are looking at our own lives, our hopes, our dreams, our frustrations. And we hope that at the end of our long wait, we will find the thing that these people were looking for also. Every story is a gift to us, and we appreciate it. When the story is translated into another language, it is like a diamond that is cut on many angles. From many sides we can look at this diamond, and it makes the light from that window shine brightly. And we see the story from a different angle, from a different angle, from a different angle. Many people see that light and they want to come to this story to understand. When I first heard of the title, Shab-e-Intezar Guzri, I thought, this is not a direct translation of The Long Wait. That Wasim Alimi has said, what is the meaning of this? And we read this novel through your understanding, and it gives us more understanding. I think of the night of struggle that we go through, the night that comes to us, the darkness. And it makes me think, before we are born, when we are inside our mother, it is dark for us. We do not see anything. We do not know what the future will be. Just like in the novel, Anas does not know what his future will be. He only hopes. But when the day comes, and he comes out into the world, he sees the light. At the end of this novel, Anas is still hoping, going into a road, onto a road, to a place he has never been before, hoping he will find the answer. And my prayer is that for all of us, when we find the day, when we come out of the darkness, into the final place where we will find light, that all of our hopes will be met. So, मेरी छोटी सी बात उर्दू में है कि आप दोनों के लिए मुबारक हो और